Hi, I'm Srikanta Pramanick. I created an AI using Python. It's called Jarvis. I learned Python from Indian Cybersecurity Solutions, and Dipesh sir was my trainer. First, I will show you the demo of the program, then I will explain you the code. So, let's go to my computer screen.
So that was the demo of the program. Now I'm going to explain you the code. First, I have imported some modules like PyAuto GUI, PyAuto 3 and many of this. Then I build an engine for our Jarvis. It contains the voice of our Jarvis. Then I made a function called speak. This function will take audio as an argument and then it will pronounce it. Whatever you will write inside the speak function, it will be converted into speech. After that, I made wish me function which will wish us by the date and time. The most important thing for our AI assistant is that it should take command with the help of the microphone of the user system. So now I made a function called take command. With the help of the take command function, our AI assistant will return a string output by taking microphone input from the user. Then I added the try except method to handle errors effectively. That's it. It's the basic of our Jarvis. Now we will develop logic for different commands such as Wikipedia searches, play music or etc. Let me show you. Where is Wikipedia? Yeah, it's here. We have used an elif statement to check whether Wikipedia is in the search query of the user or not. If Wikipedia is found in the user search query, then two sentences from the summary of the Wikipedia page will be converted to speech with the speak function's help. Or not, then it will print that say that again please. You can use this elif method to perform many other tasks like switch the window or check social media profile or play music on YouTube or like this. So that was the quick explanation of the code. So here I am with my computer screen and this is my program. Now I'm going to show you the demo of this. So first I need to run my Jarvis. Jarvis,
Online and ready, sir. Good evening, it's 8:24 p.m. Sir, please tell me how can I help you?
Jarvis, tell me the news.
Please wait, sir, let me fetch the latest news. Today's first news is, Dear Sophie, what's the recipe for an H-1B? Today's second news is, EdTech valuations aren't skyrocketing, but investors see more exit opportunities. Today's third news is, Granulate nabs $30 million for software to optimize workloads and latency. Today's fourth news is, Amazon begins testing customer deliveries using Rivian electric vans. Today's fifth news is, Scratchpad snags $13 million Series A to simplify Salesforce data entry.
Jarvis, open Notepad.
Okay, sir.
Close Notepad.
Okay, sir.
Jarvis, where we are.
Wait, sir, let me check. Sir, I am not sure, but I think we are in Kolkata city of India country.
Jarvis, play song on YouTube.
Sir, what should I play?
Lose yourself. Jarvis, switch the window.
Is easy. Your path to becoming a Pythoneer or Pythonista.
Jarvis, close this player.
As your wish, sir.
Jarvis, how are you?
I am fine, sir. What about you?
Also good.
That's great to hear from you, sir.
You can sleep now.
Okay, sir, I am going to sleep now, but you can call me anytime.
Goodbye.
Thanks for using me, sir. Have a good day.